Hey guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today we are on one of our in-stock Aquila 32 Sport Power Catamarans. This boat is sitting at our docks right here in Clearwater. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough of it. First thing you're gonna notice is where I'm standing, this massive cockpit area. Absolutely great for entertaining. Tons of room for seating, hanging out, lounge space, all of that. After the boat, you will be powered with twin 300 horsepower white Mercury engines. They will have the joystick piloting with them as well. One thing to notice too, in the cockpit, you do have these gates, one on the starboard, one in the aft, and then one on the port side as well. Those can close off the entire cockpit. So if you are boating with pets or you are boating with some children, it's just an extra level of safety in the cockpit area. As we move forward up here, notice your helm. You've got two flip-up bolsters. You do have the single ray marine screen here. There is room to add another if you want, or you can add an iPad mount, throw an iPad up there, whatever you'd like to do. You do have the radio, obviously, and you do have your joystick piloting, which again will come standard with Mercury with the autopilot function and the skyhook function. You do have a companion seat over here as well. And then on the port side, you will have an air-conditioned cabin in there to get you out of the Florida heat if you want, or just get out of the protection. Over here, you got the galley area. Right here, you've got a nice grill top. This is electric Kenyan. And then right here, you do have your sink. And then you will have refrigeration right here under there as well with the garbage. On the starboard side, you have a massive head. Plenty of space in there once you're in there. It is also air conditioned. So not only do you have the air conditioned cabin on that side, but the air conditioning will be over here as well. As you come up to the bow of the boat, awesome spot to lounge, hang out, plenty of room for 2, 3, maybe even 4. It just depends on how tight you want to be, but it is an awesome, awesome spot. Again, this is Jacob Coyle at MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks for walking through the Aquila 32 Sport with us.